In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize projects in Basecamp. Let's get started. First, open your Basecamp dashboard where all your projects are listed. Take a moment to scan through them and identify the project you want to organize. Choosing the right project is important so everything stays structured and easy to manage. Once you open a project, you'll see different tools like to-dos, message board, schedule, docs, and files. These are the main building blocks you'll use to organize your work. Start by grouping your tasks inside the to-do section. Create clear task lists based on categories like planning, development, or meetings. This helps break large work into smaller, manageable steps. Next, use the message board to keep important discussions separate from quick chat. Post updates, decisions, and key information so everything stays documented in one place. Then move to the schedule section. Add important deadlines, meetings, and milestones so your team always knows what's coming next. After that, organize your files inside Docs and Files. Upload documents in a structured way and use clear names so nothing gets lost or confusing later. You can also use Campfire for quick conversations, but keep it focused on real-time communication, not long-term planning. As a final step, make sure everything is labeled clearly and consistently so your team can find information quickly without asking. And that's it. Your Basecamp project is now well organized. This makes collaboration smoother, reduces confusion, and keeps your entire team aligned in one clean workspace.